Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews at Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander SE. So first time driving the new Outlander. It's not bad at all. Does have third row seating. I do believe this is on the same platform as the Rogue. I do know the underpinnings are very much Nissan. Engine, transmission, I believe it's all Nissan, at least it feels like it. Looks like wireless charging. This is the carbon fiber appearance pack. You do have nav, heated seats. You do have, where is it? I want to say it's down. Yeah, super all-wheel control. And then you have a bunch of different drive modes. You got Eco, Normal, Tarmac, Gravel, Snow, and Mud. We're going to be in Tarmac, which is Sport. First time I've really spent a lot of time in a Mitsubishi. I've driven the Evo, I've driven a couple other ones, driven the previous Outlander. It's not bad at all. Of course, it's Nissan underneath. You look at the infotainment system, it's kind of like Chrysler and Dodge, where it's the same but different. The dash, everything like that, it's all Rogue. Except this one has a third row seat. I don't think, at least when I used to work at Quirk, I don't think you could get a third row Rogue. So if that's changed, let me know. This has the Nissan 2.5 4-cylinder. CVT, of course. Okay amount of power. I mean, I definitely wish there was a little bit more, but it's come from a guy who daily drives a car with 700 horsepower, so... You can see it moves out of its own way with no issue. It's not bad. I will say too, one thing that surprised me with this is the materials. No, that's not a joke on the Mitsubishi material. No, that's not a joke on that. Any of you younger audience that watches TikTok has probably seen that. Anyway, even though like these knobs and dials are plastic, they have a really nice feel to them. It's definitely metal-like. And it's not obviously fake. It does have a really good feel to them. Same thing with the climate control knobs and everything. steering wheel actually feels great in the hands, believe it or not. I think this is a huge step in the right direction for Mitsubishi. To be completely honest with you guys, I'm very surprised they're still in the US market, because you don't really hear much about them. But, alright, who is calling me and why are they calling me like 7 times? But they keep making cars like this at an affordable price point. I could see them sticking around for years to come. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.